Good afternoon, everybody.
Barack Obama has held his final news conference as President of the United States. The outgoing Commander-in-Chief was asked about his meetings with President-elect Donald J. Trump.
It may be that on certain issues, once he comes into office and he looks at the complexities of how to, in fact, provide health care for everybody, something he says he wants to do, or wants to make sure that he is encouraging job creation and wage growth in this country, that may lead him to some of the same conclusions that I arrived at.
He spoke about the frosty U.S. relations with Russia and explained why the U.S. had imposed sanctions on Moscow.
The reason sanctions have been put in place against Russia has to do with their actions in Ukraine. And it is important for the United States to stand up for the basic principle that big countries don't go around and invade and bully smaller countries.
And some of the important ideas that you will leave this office with.